Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title, we're doing another addition to our very beloved palette. It's definitely been one of the palettes that I've been using a lot lately, just because it's so quick and easy, you know. It's small, it doesn't have a lot of colors, but for some reason all the colors in it I really love. And I wanted to make another addition to show you guys how to do a fun, quick, easy, like color pop in smoky eye. So what we're gonna try to do today, I haven't done this look yet, but I'm like, so I haven't done this look on myself at all, but I was thinking about it, you know, and I was playing, I was swatching on my hand and was like, this is gonna be a sick look because it's easy to do. It only uses 2 shadows, so you just need a bunch of different brushes and you can make it happen. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we're gonna start by applying the look. As usual, I have my foundation, contour, highlight, blush, and brows on. I also put a little bit of lip balm for all the haters that say that I have dry lips. I'm really trying to keep them plump and nice for you. But it's a bitch. I think I have eczema on the lips. Is that a thing? I hope it is, because that gives me an excuse to give people whenever they say it looks super crusty, you know, on my face. I'm gonna start by using the Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And this is just gonna ensure that everything goes on smooth and we're ready for blending. Okay, now I'm using everybody's favorite bitch, eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown, and I'm gonna use the color Vinyl. I'm just going to use it mainly on the lid and then brush it all the way up to the brow bone. Perfect. Now that we have it on both eyes, I can start with the other part of the look. So I'm going to be using Endless Party and we're going to create a large smoke. So I'm gonna start using a ponytail from Laura Mercier. I'm gonna really load this brush up and I'm just gonna start, you know, coloring the eye. Using vinyl as a starting shade actually helps to bring more of the orange out of this red color. I notice when I don't use vinyl like as a base, this becomes more of like a true red. And you can barely see the orange in it. But once you use the vinyl, the orange really becomes apparent. It's really pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna use a smaller crease brush and I'm gonna start bringing out the eye a little bit. I'm gonna use the same shade on the crease with the smaller crease brush and we're gonna really build that color up. And you can see as we're building the color, it becomes a lot darker and it becomes a lot redder. So like the orange is almost gone when I pile it on top of itself. You know, it becomes more of like a burnt red. Alright, so I'm just going to apply the same color with a smaller brush on the bottom of the under eye. Okay, this is starting to look really cool. There's something about doing these monochromatic looks that is Just really enchanting. It's like, you know, it's just one color, it's all over, it's nicely blended. You get a bunch of different gradients from it. So now I'm gonna apply a little bit of whiteout concealer on the lid to kind of brighten it, and I'm gonna put the last shade on it. Okay, so I'm gonna reapply vinyl into the middle, and I'm gonna use Screech on top. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use Screech, which is the shimmer. I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna apply it right on the lid. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna go put some lashes, mascara. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So you can see I put some falsies on, I put some eyeliner, mascara, and a little bit of 1995 lipstick. Holy shit, my voice sounds like crap. Anyways, I am gonna be putting a video and photos so you can see the vision behind it. I have these glasses on some of the photos, so it looks really cool. And yeah, that's it. I think it came out really cool. I love the lid, how bright it is, and I love that I just used one shade and smoked it out to perfection. We made an amazing little smoke wing, and the lipstick balances it out pretty nicely. If it was up to me and I did the look again, I would maybe shave my beard so that way it would be a lot smoother. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial with the Nars Provocateur. I am going to be adding more to the series. It's just gonna be a little slower because I have, you know, the Bronze Temptation, I have Mothership 5. I think I'm gonna rebirth the Nars singles for kicks and giggles. So just be patient with me, and then we'll create more more makeup together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Ring the bell button so you know when I have a new video coming up. Leave a comment if you want to, and like and share the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.